Good evening everyone, Colin from the Baby Boomers. How are you? Thanks for watching. Tonight we are in Mount Alford, which is kind of west of Brisbane in Queensland, Australia, and we're free camping behind the Mount Alford Hotel. So if you love our videos and you want to find out more about van life, van conversions, van tips, van everything, please, why not subscribe now, and please tick that notification bell for updates of when we receive a new when we upload a new video. Now in this video we're going to be, obviously with free camping, we're going to be talking about how we shower and what we do and the different types of shower that we can have. So here it is. Thanks for watching again. Now, I think the biggest question I get asked by people when they talk about the van, they ask questions about the van, is the first question is, where is the shower? And I'll go through that in a second, but I think in reality, from the people that I know that do have showers that have been built into their van, is that they very rarely use it. If you go to, from what I can gather, is if they go to a caravan park, they will use the shower that is in the caravan park, and so they very rarely use the shower that is in the van. Now, I wanted obviously open plan, and having the shower, a full-time shower inside the van, doesn't allow for open plan. So anyway, I will just run through with you how I rig my shower. So the shower itself is basically just stored behind the driver's seat here. I'll just pop it out. And what it consists of is basically a 38-litre foldable bucket or container, or whatever you might want to call it. Now, inside the bucket, the container, when it's folded flat, is the shower curtains. So I have two shower curtains and the shower curtain rings. So when the bucket is extended, it looks like this, and basically you just place it on the floor. Now, the shower curtain itself is attached to the I have a hula hoop. This is a cane hula hoop for a bit of decoration. So generally about 4 or 5 hooks, certainly one in each corner. Sorry, one by each of these mounts, just to keep it tight. And then normally what I do is I have a join that will come down about here. So the two curtains will join about here, so that the shower head, which comes off the back of the tap, attaches to this little suction cap. I'll just do it roughly. Attaches to this little suction cap, and then basically it looks like that. And then when everything is rigged, it looks like this. And this is how I shower inside of the van. So the shower curtain clips onto the hula hoop, comes down, and all the water drains into a big 38-litre foldable bucket. So that is option 1. Now option 2 is this suction cap. Basically you get on the outside of the door, obviously not on the inside. You basically stick it to the outside of the door, and it allows you to have a shower outside wherever you want. Obviously normally in a car park you would wear something like boardies or togs or something like that, and it allows you to shower anywhere, more or less. Now in reality, you would really only shower, I would say, every couple of days. Just because you're not showering doesn't mean say you can't keep yourself clean. You can still wash and such like. Now I carry about 80 or 90 litres of water, and I have a hot water system that's at the back of the van that produces about 12 litres of hot water, which is more than enough for 2 showers. So that is option 1 and option 2. Now option 3 is this. Now this is my standby method of showering. Basically what it is a 5 litre weed sprayer, and I got it from Bunnings Warehouse. I think it was $10. Bunnings is basically the Australian version of Home Hardware, I suppose, in the US. Yeah, so this is a weed sprayer, and all I did was take the weed spraying end off, and then just joined a bit of hose on it, and then added this shower head. It's basically an old 4-wheel drive. Actually, it's the shower head off the 12-volt water pump that I use to pump the water from the containers into the main tank. So I just repurposed it and put it onto this weed sprayer. And basically what I do with that is fill it up with probably half, boil a kettle, fill it up half hot water, half cold water, and it gives you a nice little warm shower. It's more than warm. It's great. I've used it a lot. It's because it needs no power. If for instance you're somewhere you haven't got, your batteries are flat or whatever, you can still have a shower. And that is my showering options. Very simple, very quick, very easy to set up. Generally Queensland weather, or yeah, generally Queensland weather, even in winter you can shower outside. Certainly in summer you'd shower outside all the time, unless it was absolutely chucking it down, and then you could shower inside using the bucket. But generally most of the time shower outside, and it just gives you those 3 options. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I say, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Over 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed, and it's always great to build that community. So, and don't forget to tick that notification bell. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.